To install the WeatherTech hood protector on your vehicle, start by making sure that you have all of the necessary items needed for installation. With your purchase, you should have received the hood protector, a large alcohol pad, and a large surface prep pad. You will also need car wash supplies, a clean towel, and masking tape. Begin by washing the hood of your vehicle with the car wash supplies and dry with a clean towel. It is important the hood is completely dry and free of any dirt and debris. Lay the hood protector on the vehicle, making sure that the bottom of the protector lines up with the bottom edge of your vehicle's hood and that the protector is centered on your vehicle. Use the masking tape to mark the outline of the protector on the hood. Then, remove the protector from the hood and set it aside for later. Using the provided alcohol pads, clean the entire masked-off area of the hood. Use one alcohol prep pad to cover 1/2 of the taped-off area of the hood. Repeat the process with the remaining alcohol prep pad until the entire masked-off area has been thoroughly cleaned, and let it dry completely. Once dry, use the surface prep pads on the painted area where the hood protector will attach, making sure to stay within the masked-off area. Again, let the area dry completely. Now, remove and discard the masking tape from the hood of your vehicle. Prepare the hood protector for installation by exposing 2 inches of tape liner from each section on the back side of the protector. Fold the tape liners back far enough to create pull tabs. Carefully place the protector back into position, centered on your vehicle's hood surface. Remove the tape, working from the center out to one side at a time. To remove the tape, grasp the exposed portion of the tape liner and pull gently with one hand while applying light, even pressure to the protector with the opposite hand. Repeat this step until all the tape has been removed. Press down firmly along all the taped edges to ensure proper adhesion. After application is complete, it is recommended that you do not drive your vehicle for 24 hours and refrain from washing the vehicle for 72 hours to ensure the tape has time to set. Congratulations! Your WeatherTech hood protector is now installed.